everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about division of mixed numbers. Okay, and division of mixed numbers, we have to do is first is to change this mixed number into improper fraction. 7 times 3, 21 plus 3 equals 24 over 7 divided by 8 times 4 equals 32 plus 4 equals 36 over 8. Then the next thing is we'll use the reciprocal method and we're going to change this division into multiplication. We have now 24 over 7. The first fraction do not reverse. So this one becomes times, this one reverse, reciprocal, 8 over 36. Then find the cancellation method. So we can divide 24 and 36 by 12. 36 divided 12 equals 3. 24 divided 12 equals 2. Then no more number to be cancelled, so horizontal multiplication we're going to apply. 2 times 8 equals 16. 7 times 3, 21. So 16 divided by 2, yes, we can divide, but 21 we cannot divide by 2 because there's a remainder. So therefore, this is our the lowest term now. Final answer. Next is mixed number changed to improper fraction. 24 plus 2, 26. 26 over 3 divided by 3 times 9, 27 plus 7 equals 34 over 3. Next, we have to reverse or reciprocal, then change this division into multiplication. The first fraction do not reverse. Huwag babalik na rin to. Ito lang ang babalik na rin. 3 over 34. The next cancellation, if this is 26, this is 3, we can cancel 1 and 1, we can divide, and this 26 divided by 2, 13, 34 divided by 2 is 15, 17, okay, 17. Now, no more number to be cancelled. Wala na maka-cancel tayo. 13 times 1 equals 13. 1 times 17 equals 17. Okay, then reduce the lowest term. Hindi na ito ma-reduce. Kasi pag dinivide natin sa 2, may remainder. Pag dinivide natin sa 2, may remainder. Ang last natin na i-divide para malamang kung pwede pa ma-reduce ay divided by 2, numerator and denominator. So this will be our final answer. Okay, number 3, again change to improper fraction. 6 times 10, 60 plus 15 is 75 over 6 divided by 4 times 15, 60 plus 3, 63 over 4. The next reciprocal, change this to multiplication. This one copy only the first fraction, and the second fraction we're going to reverse because the reverse of division is multiplication. That's why we're going to reverse the fraction. Okay, it becomes now 4 over. Then cancellation method, we can divide 4 by 2. We can divide 6 by 2 equals 3. And then 63 cannot be divided by 75, but 75 we can divide by 3. It becomes now 25 over 1. Okay, divided by 3, we have now 25. Okay. times 2 over 63. 25 times 2, 50, then 63. So we cannot divide by 2 the 63, but we can divide 2 by 50, we can divide by 2. So, hindi na madidivide silang dalawa kasi dito may remainder. So, this will be our final answer. This is to reduce the lowest term. Okay, I hope you understand, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.